What's good, YouTube, man? Top of the morning, man. Yeah, I woke up hyped because my package came, bro. Bro, the Scat got toys, man. Got some interior toys. She got some new boots. Feel me? Just give y'all a little update on that. She is still missing. She in the shop still getting work done. Man, my man Jim said they try to send that aftermarket part. He said, nah, I ain't having it. So he sent it back. So I got to wait a little long, which I don't mind as long as everything good. Feel me? But as y'all can see from the title, man, I'm still gonna drop some shit, man. That's some shit I had in the vault still, you know what I mean? But pretty much the first night I went out with the boys from up here. See what was going on. Heard what was going on. And it was the first night my man, he copped the Hellcat probably like the day before or some shit. I'm talking about tinted windows that day. He couldn't even put his windows down type shit. But man, listen, if y'all liking the videos, I respect it. I appreciate everybody tapping in and viewing. Man, I ain't gonna lie, like, big W for me, because one of my videos just hit like 300 or some shit, and that's the most so far. So if you tapping in, man, like, take a look at the videos, man. Tap in, man. Run those up. Holla at your boy. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. It's a whole lot more coming. Whole lot more. So just stay tuned. No cap. We gonna get into the video. Man, listen. I appreciate y'all. Feel me? Yeah. But we gonna get into the video. And I'm gonna holla at y'all in the next one, you heard? So we got the toys out tonight, man. We got the toys out tonight, man. Okay. Yeah, this the Scat owner. This the original OG, nigga. Yeah, first nigga hot with a Scat, nigga. What's good, big dog? Nah, man. That carbon is fire. That carbon is fire. I'm gonna have to get like my boy. But hold on. That's hard to eat. Then you got the 335i. See, I need to get right with my info on these. No cap. These things is looking clean tonight. See what I'm talking about? See what that shit say, nigga? Yeah. Wow, for a month, but I gotta take the good view from this side. Alright now, what he got on the dash? 200 on the dash. You heard? Yeah. You hear that thing cooling? We got the other 392 in the spot. See if he got it open for me. I ain't trying to violate. Know what I'm saying? Yo, Rob. You care if I do a little inside check on it?
Yeah, my girl's in there. I can just hop out. Nah, I can just
It's alright.
Sure, no.
You sure? My gosh. Sorry, my fault. The cars is too fire though, man. It's gotta go in the vid, bro. With the red and black interior, oh my goodness. Oh my. 200 on the dash. You see the carbon fiber. That's all I needed. My fault. Good looking though. That hood is so tough. And then you know you got my baby right here. You know. Skizzy. 392 on the regular shit, man. Man. 180. Man, but listen, man. It's the lineup. That's the lineup. That shit crazy, huh? Yeah, man. So yeah, I suck at recording, but I'm gonna try and get some pulls in. Man, I'm trying to figure out what's the runs for the night, man. What's the runs for the day? What's the word?
I already mixed them 1,000 times.
Robin Alley? Robin Alley?
I might let you kill me. I still gotta get used to this shit. I'm like, not even goddamn 24 hours in on this bitch. I just got this shit at goddamn 3 o'clock this afternoon.
Bro, I can't test you, bro. I'm gonna be a feet in the ass, bro. I can't test you, drive whenever we finish today. In the hood or something. Bro,
I'm gonna let you do it.
Alright. Alright, bet. So you know you my nigga. Y'all the OGs, man. Whenever y'all ready, lead the way, man. Word.
We're gonna hook up on Widebody and then just go down to Kingston, the exit. I gotta figure out what exit it is so we don't miss it. Let's see real quick.
Which Kingston is it?
Damn, I should have got a hella milkshake. Hold on, we got more people pulling up. Hold on, we got more folks. Yo, bro, read that for me one more time. Yeah, that's outside shit for you. That's outside shit for you. Good Mustang. Yes, sir.
Where are you guys going?
So, boom. What's good, y'all? Niggas just left the spot. You know, niggas those at storage and all that, so we gonna make our trip to Mexico. Cause that's where we at, nigga. Mexico, nigga. Everything is legal out there, you heard? So, got the views with us. That's my boy Scat up there with the fucking SRT. Yeah. But Okay. Let's pull up to the G spot. Man, listen, the Widebody took L's today. Y'all. The Widebody took L's today. Did his thing. That thing was moving. And you heard that thing, yeah. Nah, that thing was moving, my guy. That thing was moving.
You gotta raise, bro.
Nah, you gotta race on the way back.
Alright, man.
Yeah, facts. You got to.
We gotta do a higher roll, bro. We gotta do like a 40.
40?
We probably did like, I don't know, 30?
Nah, it was probably like 30, 35 or some shit like that. Something weird. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna try and get some better footage for y'all. My cameraman wasn't doing what he's supposed to be doing, man. And I know, I ain't gonna lie, I got smoked. The Widebody took L's on the way down, but we about to head back up. Windows is motherfucking up. Feel me? I don't know if I could fit y'all right here so y'all can see. What am I doing?